Most people walk right past those TRX or suspension straps at the gym or scroll past those cool but intimidating videos online because no one showed them how to actually get started. I'm Dr. Alex Hill, a board-certified physical therapist, and I specialize in pelvic health and oncology. In this video, I'm going to show you what TRX is, how to set it up and adjust the straps, how to make exercises easier or harder using your body position, plus who it's good for and who should use some caution. Make sure you follow me for more health tips and exercise videos. TRX stands for Total Resistance Exercise. It's a suspension trainer using 2 adjustable straps with handles that attach to a fixed anchor point above you. You use your own body weight as the resistance, and that's it. No weights, no machines, no complicated setup. What makes it different from most equipment is that they're using straps with 1 anchor point, which means it's a little unstable, and you have to work your body and stabilize your body through every movement that you do. You're building strength and stability at the same time, which is a big part of why it transfers so well to real life movement. It's also compact enough to fit into a bag so you can use it at home, at the gym, outside, or while you're traveling. The most common way to set up a TRX at home is with a door anchor. So it's a small strap with a foam pad that loops over the top of the door. So here's how to do it safely. Use a sturdy, solid door, not a hollow door. Loop the anchor over the top on the hinge side, which is the strongest part. Close the door firmly so the anchor is sandwiched between the door and the frame. Then give it a firm tug before you put any weight on it. It should not move. You can also anchor the TRX to a wall-mounted hook, a squat rack, a pull-up bar, or if you're outside, a tree. The anchor point should be about 7 to 9 feet off the ground for most exercises. Avoid anchoring to anything that swivels, wobbles, or isn't rated for body weight. If it doesn't feel solid before you start, it's not safe to use. TRX straps are fully adjustable, and the length depends on the exercise. Most straps have a simple pull tab system. So you pull the tab up to shorten, pull the end down to lengthen. Keep both sides even, and most models have a yellow indicator tab to help you find the midpoint. So here's a general guide for lengths. Fully shortened mean the handles are close to the anchor, so use this for rows and high pull movements. Mid-length means the tabs are about halfway down. This is good for most standing exercises. Mid-calf length means the handles sit just below your knee, and this is where you'll be for most lower body movements and ground exercises. And then fully lengthened means the tabs are pulled all the way down. When in doubt, start at mid-length. The exercise will tell you pretty quickly if something needs to be adjusted. So now that you know how to adjust the straps, let's go ahead and talk about body position, because this is what actually controls how hard the exercise is. The more horizontal you are, the more body weight you're working against. The more upright you are, the easier it gets. So take a row as an example. Standing nearly upright with a slight lean back is easier. Leaning back to 45 degrees is moderate, and leaning back further with your feet out in front is going to be the hardest. You don't change the exercise, you just change where you stand. That means that you can start at the easiest angle and gradually progress as you get stronger. TRX works well for a wide range of people. Beginners who want a low impact way to build strength, people rebuilding fitness after illness or injury after you're cleared from your doctor, and anyone who wants a versatile home workout option that doesn't take up much space. That said, there are a few situations where you definitely want to get clearance from your doctor or your physical therapist before jumping in. If you've had a recent surgery or an acute injury where tissue is still healing, check with them first. And if you have significant balance issues, core weakness, or limited hand function, whether from neuropathy, joint instability, pain, or another condition, TRX can still work, but you'll want to get some guidance on how to modify safely. In most cases, it can be adapted, It's just worth doing that with support rather than guessing. So using your physical therapist or personal trainer or other fitness professional. TRX is exercise equipment that I recommend a lot to people because it's easy to set up and get started, but it's also easy to adjust it and progress as you get stronger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your workout buddy who's been eyeing and curious about those TRX straps but didn't know where to begin. Make sure you subscribe for more videos on movement and getting back to doing what you love to do, and comment below if you love doing TRX.